me, Dorian. Happy New Year to you guys. This was actually on my New Year's resolution to start back doing my YouTube videos. I want this channel to be all about beauty, hair, fashion, that type of stuff. So look out for more videos. They are on the way. And while we're at it, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. But today I thought I would show y'all how I got this glittery gold eyeshadow look. I think that it came out really pretty, so I thought I would show you guys how I got it. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. First, I'm going to start out by priming my eyelids with some eyeshadow primer, and then I'm going to move on to my Too Faced Peach palette. I'm using a fluffy blending brush to apply this Summer Yum color in my crease, and this is just a burnt orange color. So we're just getting some definition right in there. And then I'm going back to the same palette. This time I'm using the color Charmed, I'm sure, and I'm applying it with a dome brush so that I can get the color exactly where I want it. And I'm only putting that directly in my crease. And now I'm going to go back in with that same fluffy brush to blend everything out. I'm using this white peach, which is just a shimmery white color, and I'm using an eyeshadow brush to put that in my inner corner. This helps to make your eyes look bigger. And now I'm using this Ulta Beauty glitter primer, and using my fingertips, I'm just going to apply that only where I want the glitter to stick. For my glitter, I'm using this NYX metallic glitter in the color Goldstone. I'm applying it using a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gently patting it only where I want it. Now I'm using a flat liner brush and this E.l.f. gel eyeliner in the color black to line my upper lash line. For my lashes, I am using these Ardell Wispies. This is the number 600 lashes, and I'm applying this duo lash adhesive. It comes out white, but it dries to clear, and you want to let that sit for about 30 seconds so that it can get tacky and it's not slipping and sliding. And then you will use something like some tweezers to apply your lashes to your upper lash line. Now I'm moving on to my face. First, I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Oil to prep my face for my foundation. And then I'm using my NYX Color Correcting Concealer Palette. First, I'm using a concealer brush to put this yellow color under my eyes. I kind of apply it in a triangle motion, and this just helps to get rid of any dark circles. And then using that same brush, I'm going to put this green color around my nose. I tend to get a lot of redness around my nose area, so this green helps to counteract any redness. And then using my small Real Techniques blending sponge, I'm just blending everything out. And now I'm moving on to my foundation, which is this Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. I first like to pat it all over my face, and then I will blend it out using another Real Techniques sponge. To set everything, I'm using this E.l.f. Photo Finish. Is it Photo Finish? I think it's just E.l.f. HD finishing powder. Mine is in the color Sheer, and I just use my sponge to blend that. Now I'm getting my eyebrows ready for filling them in using this spoolie just to brush them out. And I'm going to use my Ardell brow pomade. Mine is in the color medium brown, and I like to shape my eyebrows using an angled liner brush. I first start on the bottom, and then I'll go back into the top and just gradually fill them in. And once I get my eyebrows to the desired shape, I will go back in with that same spoolie and just blend everything out so that it doesn't look too harsh. Now I'm going to contour my face with my NYC bronzer. This one is in the color Sunny, and I'm using my Real Techniques contour brush to contour my cheeks and along my forehead. Also get along my jawline. And now I'm using my E.l.f. contour brush to contour my nose. And then I'll also get under my lip because it helps to make your lips look a little bit more full. Now I'm going back to my peach palette using Charmed, I'm Sure, and Summer Yum. I'm going to use a pencil brush to blend those two colors together and just put it on my lower lash line just to give my eyes some more definition. Now I'm using the same flat liner brush and gel liner to blend my lashes with the false lashes as well as the liner. And now for my blush, I'm using this Milani Baked blush in the color Rose d'Oro. I'm applying using a fluffy brush only to the apples of my cheeks. For my highlight, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops. Mine is in the color Celestial. And first, I use my fingers to apply it to my cheekbones. And then, working quickly, I would just go back in and blend that out with my blending brush. My blending sponge. I also put a little bit on my nose as well as on my Cupid's bow. And again, just go back in and blend it out with the sponge. I'll also apply some to my brow bone, but for this part, I'm going to use an eyeshadow brush. And I also put some above my eyebrow, focusing mainly on the arch area. And once I have it where I want it, I'll just use my finger to blend it all out. And whatever excess I have left on my hand, I will just pop it on my inner corner with an eyeshadow brush just for a little bit extra pop. For mascara, I used MAC Upward Lash in the color Black to my upper and lower lashes. And then moving on to the lips, I used this nude lip liner in the color Naked. This one is from CAO Cosmetics. For lipstick, I chose to go with my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This one is a brown color. The name of the color is Dubai. It's a darker matte brown shade, and it's really good. I love these lipsticks. And that's the lipstick because I forgot to show you. And just to finish everything off, I'm going to use my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray just to help everything last all throughout the day. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also leave any requests in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.